My name is Justin Rayel Alipar. I am from BSIT3A and this is my video regarding vision, mission, IT promotion, and basihim. So let's start first with vision. Vision, a globally engaged higher education institution of agriculture and allied disciplines. So now let's move on to Basi mission. Mission, provide excellent instruction, conduct relevant research, and foster community engagement that produce highly competent graduates necessary for the development of the country. Once again, I am Justin Rayel Alipar from BSIT3A. So now I am here in front of you to promote IT in Basi. So I chose IT in Basi simply because IT in Basi really focuses on enhancing our skill when it comes to logical thinking, widening our knowledge, to be able to showcase your skills and at the same time master it. So I am encouraging you guys to be part of our institute and let's be successful together. That is it for my IT promotion. Thank you. Awit ng Basi. Pambansang dalubasaan, pangsakahan, hiyas na sumilay sa dibdib ng Bulacan, kaakbay ang karunungan sa kaunlaran, miti imali ng malikhaing isipan, bayay inasam ang iyong kandili, bagong kaalaman sa kabata ay ihasik, murang diway nili ng sabaying iwi, kabundukan kaparangan tanging saksi, sitang dalubasaan sa iyong paanan, handog yaring puso, diwat kalooban, gawad mong biyaya ito'y aming iingatan, nang iyong pamanay tama sinhabang buhay.